Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about today's trade, what we did, and also I'll be showing you my live trade, what I did on in the Unilever. So I booked 35 points in this today's trade with just 65 quantities, what you can see here. And also in Reliance, I had a issue with the quantities to trigger. In that also, I was supposed to get 1500 plus profit, but the quantities which triggered was only 21 instead of 140 stocks. So I'll be showing you all these things, and also I'll be showing you the live trading video also in this. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you're new visitor to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay. And also, if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. And also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. If you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about today's trade. So today we traded on Zeal. Okay, so we bought that stock in the morning itself, and as you can see, the stock performed very well. The stock went up and then later it started to fall, and we were able to book the profits in Zeal morning itself within few minutes. Okay, the stock performed very good and we booked a profit, and now I'll be showing you the profit screenshot of some of my clients also. So here is the first screenshot of profit: 2773 rupees profit, 10,370 rupees profit, 10,387 rupees profit, and 12,757 rupees profit. So these are the profit what we were able to book today in today's trade of Zeal. And now let me show you the live trading what I did on the Hindu Unilever. Okay. So guys, now I'm planning to do a live trading. So I shall trade it on Indie Unilever. So I shall buy the stock. The levels are not yet decided. So once I decide the level, I'll tell you when I'll be buying it or selling it. Okay. So actually morning I did one trade on Reliance, but the thing was Upstock had a issue. It was not letting me to log in. Now around like 10:30 I'm able to log into the Upstocks, and I put 140 quantity for the buy in Reliance around 1990, and it was only able to trigger my 21 quantity. So I just exited it around like 12 or 13 points profit, but it was not triggered my whole quantity. I just, as you can see, it only triggered 21 quantity. So that's why I'm planning to do another trade. So I'll be trading this on Indie Unilever. So let's wait and see how it will perform. Okay, so I'll tell you the levels when I'll be buying the Indie Unilever. So I'll be showing you this live trading. So guys, as you can see, the stock is coming down, so I placed a sell around 2550 for Indo Unilever. So let's wait and watch how the stock will perform. So as of now, I'm on a sell side. Okay, so I'll be selling it around 2550. Okay, 2550 is the place where I'll be selling it, and I shall target for 15 to 17 points target and see how it would perform. As of now the market is 2% up, and I'm going short on Indie, so let's see what will happen. So guys, now it's come down to 2554. I'm just 4 points away to trigger my sell order. So yes, the sell is complete, and guys, I shall target about 20 points. That is 2530 will be my exit point. So let me just set that here. So let me just click this, square off, and place my target at 2530. So I'll update you guys once I exit and book the profit in this. So 2549 as of now. Two five four eight. So guys, as you can see, Hindu Unilever is now at 2530. As you guys know, I sold it at 2550, and I'm still holding that stock. So Upstock had a login issue again, so I have to do it in my phone. So I'll update you guys once I exit. So 2527, as you can see, I shorted at 2550, as you guys know. So I booked already 20 points profit as of now, but I've not yet exited it. So let me see how far the stock would fall, and I'll update you guys when I exit. So guys, as you can see, if I try to log in, I'm getting this login service unavailable. Please try again after some time. Also not sure about my position yet, so I think I'll try by my phone to log in with the phone app. So guys, 2529 still 2526. By max, I'll try to exit it at 2520, or I'll see how the movement is. And as you guys can see, I couldn't log in yet. So once I'm able to log in and once I exit the position, I'll update you guys at the end of the day. After trying a lot of logins, then I was able to log in finally to my Upstock account, and yes guys, I exited it at 2515 and I sold it at 2550, as you guys know, and I exited at 2515 and I booked 35 points profit in this stock, and my profit is 2275. And as I guys told you in Reliance, I had an issue in the morning itself with the quantity that was not triggered, and even now you guys saw in Upstock I was not able to log in. So today there was a little bit of server issue, but it's okay anyways. I managed it by luckily I got the login and I was able to exit this stock at 2515 and I booked the profit today. Okay, and as of now, if you see, the India Unilever is still falling down. The low made is 2507. Yes, so I think it will go below 2500 also. So anyway, I exited the position and I made a profit today, so we'll see how it performs later. So anyway, it's already around 12:40 p.m. now. Almost half a day is gone, and I booked this profit today in the trade of India Unilever. And today's trade what I did was Zeal, and the Zeal call was given to my clients, and even they booked a good profit, as I already shown you. And I also booked a profit in Zeal, which I traded in Zerodha also. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profits like this and want to learn how to make this kind of profits in intraday trading, you can join us now. I'll guide you. So even the market was up at 2% and I still decided the stock will fall down, because at firstly I decided that the stock will go up, and it didn't go up to my levels what I thought. So that's why I decided to sell again, and I almost booked 35 points in the sell side. So if I was getting a good amount of margin, I just got 3 times the margin in upstock. So just by using 3 times margin, I was able to get this just with 65 quantity. I was able to make this profit. Okay. And as of now, you can see the Unilever is still falling. The low made was 2500, exactly 2500 low, as you can see. As of now, even this might break out in some time. So anyways guys, this was a live trade what I did today. So guys, as I predicted, it broke 2500, 2472. As of now, the stock is running, and this was my prediction, and this was my study for Unilever today, and it worked well, and I made a profit also. So guys, that was a live trading what you saw on in the Unilever. So guys, actually when I took the trade, I decided to exit that around 15 or 20 points. But when the market gradually started falling down, so as I shown you, the market was 2% and now the market started to fall down. So then I got the confirmation that this stock will fall much more. So that's why I didn't want to place just an 15 or 20 points target. So I just moved my target, and I was able to book 35 points in the Unilever. Okay, so this was the profits what I made in Zeal, and also which I showed you in my Upstock account. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. If you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.